Happy birthday po. Happy birthday po, Tita Bixie.
Tita Pixie.
Eh, look in the camera.
No.
Happy birthday, Tol. Ano na, 11:30.
Happy birthday!
11:30 PM na dito. Nagpe-prepare na kami. Pupunta na rin kami ng ospital maya-mayang konti. Ka-birthday mo na si Baby Ismael. Lalabas na tumamaya 6 AM. Oh, kuya, you greet Tita Bixie. Come on.
Okay.
Come on. What you will say to Tita Bixie? Happy birthday po, Tita Bixie. Mua, mua, mua. Oh, go.
Happy birthday!
Ay, I don't like na. Oh, I don't like. Come on. Ay, ayan na. Hi, Kuya Yusuf. Kuya Yusuf. You say happy birthday to Tita Bixie. You say happy birthday po, Tita Bixie. Ayan, binago rin namin yung ayos ng bahay. Ayan, salamat kay Utol. Courtesy of Utol, may sofa bed. Yan kami matutulog. Tapos sinayos namin to. Ayan. Ano, ito pa yung crib ni Baby Ismael. Ayan. Hindi ko pa maayos. Bukas, guys. Ngayon, we're on the way to, to hospital. Ayan, no. 11:30. 11:40 na, nanay. Ayan. Nandun na sa kotse yung ibang gamit. Yung, ano tawag dito? Yung charger. Wala pa pala kami charger. Gosh. Inaisa rin namin yung kwarto para pagbalik namin dito, medyo maayos-ayos na. Anak, makaka-copyright tayo. Always, always wheels on the bus. I get irritated wheels on the bus. Every day, every minute, wheels on the bus. Say happy birthday to Tita Bixie. Happy birthday, Tita Bixie.
Birthday to you.
See you tomorrow with Baby Ismael.
Ay, Tita Fio.
Ako. Oh, sige na, guys. Ginugulo na naman yung mga unay. Bye!
We're going na
Nanay?
I'm gonna put down. Okay, wait. Tatay didn't put down your seat.
Hi guys! So, papunta na kami ng hospital.
This is not a tank food. Only this
Tignan niyo yung dala namin.
tank food.
Puro biba. Biba. Tapos may isa pang maleta dito sa baba. Kila nanay, kay Yusuf. Ito pagkain. Toiletries, damit ko. Charger. Milk. Ayan. Kasi baka 3 days din kami doon. Are you ready to see Baby Ismael tomorrow?
Please on top of
Okay, bye-bye. Ayan guys, so exactly 12 AM na. So December 7, 2024, 12 AM exactly. Papunta pala kami ng hospital. Ayun nga, excited, na kinakabahan, excited, nagtatanong kung sinong kamukha ni Baby Ismael. Si nanay daw ba o ako? Kayo ba guys? Pero mas malaki siya ngayon compare kay Kuya Yusuf niya. Siya 3.3 siya. Dito na kami ngayon sa NMC. We just reach. Okay guys, so inshallah maging okay lahat.
Can that is coming? Tatay.
Stay there. NMC Hospital. Ayan. Dito na tayo guys. Mga sila white. Makikita na siya ng Kuya Yusuf. Ito yung dala namin. So, ito yung ibang gamit namin nga pala. Meron pang naiwan doon sa kotse. Si Kuya Yusuf. Si Habibti. sa may admission, NMC. Ayan, now is 12 a.m. 12:15 a.m. Oh no. Ito na. And si Wifey, Kuya Yusu. Ito na nga. Oh. Nurse station. We are in the 3rd floor. Oh, thank you, Mr. Bishal.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ito, 309. Wow! There's a bed for Kuya Yusuf.
Wow.
Wow! You're going to sleep here. May sopa. Ayan. Si Wifey. At ay, kay Baby Ismail. Look at Baby Ismail, ano.
Hindi ka, ma'am? Christine Manalo po.
Let's see the toilet. Ay, may tao. Hindi, joke lang. Aha. Disinfected. So, NMC. Look at him. Yeah, you not remove your sleeper. Now it's dirty. You should remove your sleeper. Yeah?
No.
There's a ref also.
This is it also.
Should be his side.
This is a rip.
Yes.
It's what?
Hinabad na niya yung ano niya. Oh.
Daddy, it's my time. It's my.
Ito yung sleeper niya.
It's.
What happened? Ayun yung truck niya. What happened?
It's Lita APCT. It's on.
Wait, 24 a.m. na.
Community like off the light.
Tulog na si nanay.